What is a perfect knife for everyday carry? A knife that is easy to use with one hand, works with your right and left hand, has infinite opening position, use cheap disposable utility blades, with quick tool-less blade change so you always have a sharp blade, has a handy pry bar, and an attachment hole for the lanyard, extremely compact, and ultra lightweight? After 3 years of development, we are proud to introduce the titanium OFUK. Oh, what? It is an open frame utility knife. The frame is precision machined from a single block of grade 5 titanium and comes with 2 finishes, machine and Kickstarter exclusive black PVD finish. Back us today and receive the unique titanium OFUK with a great discount.